This is Filey. It exports and imports your Shopify store content as the zip files. When you open the app, you'll see your store metrics, the file count and size, count of the blog posts, blogs, menus, and pages. Hit refresh all metrics to pull the fresh numbers from Shopify. By default, Filey exports everything in your content files folder. Under the export settings, however, you can add more. Product media sorted into folders by product handle, blog posts, blogs, menus, and pages. These options require the Pro plan. You can click the download files, and Filey starts pulling data from Shopify. You'll see a progress bar and status updates as each content type is processed. Files first, then whichever extras you have added. Keep this tab open. If your store has a lot of files, Filey splits them into the multiple zip archives. Done. Your zip files contain the actual files from the store and the JSON files for the blogs, articles, pages, and menus configuration that you will use for exporting and importing into the new store. Now to the import side. This feature is available for Pro plan only. First of all, we have to drop all the zip files exported with Filey into the drop zone. Import settings controls what happens when content already exists in the target store. Replace existing files, matches files by file name, replace articles, blogs, menus, pages, match by resource handle. These are on by default for the articles, blogs, menus, and pages, and off by default for the existing files. This was the full round trip. Export from one store, import into another store. Quick note on what Filey does and doesn't do. It handles files, product media, blogs, blog posts, pages, and menus. It does not, however, import the product collections, orders, customers, or redirects themselves. It's a content backup tool, so it's not a full store migration. Let's have an example here. First of all, Filey created the pages that were exported from the another store. Also, it has created the blog posts, and it has created the menus for the store. If we go into the products here, we'll see that this store only had one product, and another store had 5 products. So Filey only imported the image for the single product that we had in here, but it did not create other 5 products. This is it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Filey support.